Happy Bringling. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. We are once again live on Bringle Academy Facebook channel today. And today I'm going to discuss a very important topic, a topic which is very close to my heart. The reason why we have established Bringle Academy and what is the purpose of it. When I started my Bringle Academy journey, we wanted to set it up for for the management people, for the management people or the technology people. That's how we have set up 20 plus centers in 2016-17, where we had trained more than 30,000 plus students in just 18 months of time. We had a team of 40 plus team members, and that time I was going through this concept of learning. What is the end to end profiling, what you need to do for in the entire education and career life cycle. And that's where I stumbled upon this, and there is a story which I would like to share with all of you before going through further today. So my daughter was around 6 years old, and she was going to daycare, and I'm talking about 2016 and all. And my daughter was going to a daycare, and we were okay with that because both of us were working and we are a nuclear family. And what was happening is that we suddenly realized one day my daughter came in and said, that my one of my senior, she was 2 years senior, older than her, and she said that she's leaving the daycare, and I'm very upset about it. And we were also wondering why is that she's kind of leaving the daycare when her mother was working, her parents were working, and we were wondering about it. So we actually checked it out with the parent of that child, and what we realized is that the mother has actually left the job as well. It was a high paying job for her. It was a good job. Both of them were able to manage the finances for the family. It was going on very fine. But suddenly, why did she decide to leave the job? And when we further interrogated, kind of understood from her, she said that, my daughter doesn't want to stay in daycare today now. My daughter doesn't want daycare because daycare is not giving the requirements of hers at this age. She wants some more, some support in academics. She wants some support to do more than academics. She wants to understand what are the extracurricular activities. She wants to spend more time with the family rather than in the daycare. Because by the time we come in at the night, maybe 7 p.m., 8 p.m., or whatever is the time, we don't have any energy left and we don't have time to spend with her. And that is the reason she has asked for us to, one of us, to leave the job. And of course the obvious choice in the families is that mother will leave the job. And she left the job and she actually took it, left the daycare as well. Now, of course, she wants to be there with her friends, and probably in couple of years rather, sorry, this mother will actually feel bad about her decision. The reason is that she will get into a restart crisis, because in the couple of years the daughter will actually have her own life. She will probably be more busier because she'll be busy in her tuitions, in her classes, maybe competitive examinations or anything else for that matter. And that's what struck me at that point in time, that what are we doing for our children? And at some point in time my daughter would also say the same, probably just a couple of years ago, I mean ahead of this. And that's what I started working on, this concept called holistic development for the children, and creating a center which is should be a skills development center, where child is not just being put up for a daycare. The child is basically being there for the entire time at what they can look at and grow themselves more holistically. The child should feel enhanced, the capability should be enhanced. But what is that we can provide them? Academics is already being taken care by the schools. They are doing good job, and there are whatever is left, you need to go for the tuition. But there are something called extracurricular activities. Some children may like, some children may not like it. So then When I was researching about for my patent, right from, wherein the end-to-end life cycle from, skills profiling to holistic skills development to, the job assistance or the job role mapping, what I realized is that there are various tools which are available, which can actually uh, identify the core skill sets at a very early age, as early as 5 years, 6 years old child as well, which are not very common. And of course, there are some challenges with it, which is like, they may not be very accurate. As we grow older, then our, situation changes, the requirement changes over there, my skill set changes. So you have to tweak it as per that level. So you need a platform which can constantly monitor these changes over a period of time, and have a set of counselors, mentors, experts who can kind of teach them on variety of different aspects. And I'm going to talk about the various aspects, the five type of intelligences which a child should adopt, and why we should adopt at a very early age. Because our mind stops developing or develop completely by the age of 7 or 8 years. By the time you are reaching to the stage of maybe 12 years, or 13 years, you would want a complete independence. You would want a complete the child would want to focus more on this external world rather than the internal family world. Once a child reaches to the age or at the age of 25 years, the another aspect which comes in very very importantly out there is that now their personality is absolutely matured. This is what the life cycle of ours as well. Once you grow to a level of 25 years old, you cannot do any changes. And that time we actually get into the professional world and try to apply the concept which I've learned. And the reality is that we realize that whatever we have learned is only 10% of what it is required in the real world. The other skill sets which you need, and this is called as hard skills. Hard skills are only 10% which you need at that point in time. The another 40% of the skills, 30 to 40%, may not be the right exact ratios, but that is where it is more important, are called as soft skills. These soft skills are very very important to apply that knowledge, because what we have acquired is just the knowledge. Now you have to convert that knowledge into applied application, and create your own experiences which will eventually give you wisdom. And I will come to that as well. Now, what is soft skills? When you apply to it, and the basis on your skill set, when you apply that and the results what you get is what you do that for the next 10 to 15 years of time. And by the time you reach to an age of anywhere from 35 to 45 40, you actually end up having a something called midlife crisis. 80% of people, probably more, this is a general Pareto principle I'm using, at the age of 35 to 40, people feel that whatever they have been doing is actually not their core competence, is actually they're not suitable for. And that's where they had no other option but to go back and help our own children for their dreams. And many of the times, you would agree that we ourselves, we try to fulfill our dream through our children without even realizing that we are also putting them into the same you know uh, curve of what we had gone through, because we did not have anybody to tell us, anybody to support. There was nobody who could guide you from step by step, from right from an early age when you just enter your first standard till the time you reach to an age of, let's say, 25 years old, or maybe more eventually later. But at least in your college education, till your college education starts, at least you should be ready for that. What are your beyond academics capability? What are your different other questions? Creativity, financial question, entrepreneurship level. What about your emotional question? What about your spiritual question, mindfulness question? All of that are going to play a major role in your life. Somehow, if you survive that, many of them, you go through that cycle, and then you have so many responsibilities that you cannot change your career path. And at that point in time, you continue your next 20 years of life, thinking that, okay, whatever I've learned, let me now try and help others. That is where your life skills comes into the picture, where you start giving it back to the society. And that is, those life skills are very, very important, because now you're going to give it back to the society, which we call it as pearls of wisdom. This is what it is very, very important, which brings up to that entire life. So this entire thought process has made us think so much that I developed this entire concept called MBA for kids. MBA stands for Masters Beyond Academics, where we focus 80% on holistic development, on other skills which are beyond academics. 20% is definitely focused on developing the intelligence quotient. Academics, there is a support system available, so I'll talk about it little more. And before that, I would like to just share one video which actually started our journey from there. Why we started wherever we are, whatever we are doing today. And it's just a 2 minutes video. And
Are you living your childhood dream? How many of you are in a career that you dreamt of? Does your job match your qualifications, degrees, or skills? As a child, you had dreams. You wanted to be a champion at whatever career you dreamt for yourself, but you didn't know how to pursue them, mainly due to lack of available guidance or a platform that could nurture you to realize your dream career. And as you went on studying, what came your way, those dreams faded away. It is not just the job seeker who lacks career guidance, resulting into high learning curve, but even the corporate world is beaten by the mismatch of supply and demand of employees as they struggle to find suitably skilled candidates. We have developed a system which can identify inborn skills of an individual at any stage, upskill them, and place them accordingly, which means the right man at the right job. As a result, a realignment that would benefit the whole system. An idea can lead to a transformational change. And we at Bringle Academy have such transforming ideas and are ready to execute with extremely great quality content, advanced technologies like artificial and emotional intelligence, big data analytics, and robotics. If you're looking to make best use of resources, then there would be no better place than Bringle Academy.
so now with this, I would like to now share with you another concept. So, with your little permission, with your permission, our team would be sharing the details out there on the link on the comment section below, so you can go through it. uh, Now, one more thing which I would like to share with all of you is that what is about this about beyond academics. Why beyond academics? Now, see, everybody is talking about academics, and we are all focused about that. But if you don't focus on beyond academics at an early age, it becomes a little challenging for all of us. And with this, with your permission, I would like to share a little bit about my story as well. Why I had started all of this, because of which it made me to develop, compelled me to develop this kind of system or the entire platform around that. So my name is Anshav Jain. I'm founder of Bringle Blended Learning and Bringle Blended Meetups platform. We are established in UK and India. We have got expertise. We have got 17,000 plus experts who are spread across 50 plus countries, and we have a global reach in 140 plus countries today. I am also a senior management corporate professional who was the youngest vice president and highest earning member at the very early age of 34 years. And at that point in time, I've delivered more than 100+ million of hard savings given to the hundreds of global MNCs. And at that time, I lost my job. I lost my job because there was not very good market available. And that one day told me that there is nothing called job security. Whatever we do in our jobs is out of fear or greed. The fear always keeps us going to the work because we will not get our monthly salary. The greed, when you get that monthly salary, will keep you going for the next 15 days. Now, I'm not saying job is wrong. Okay, I'm absolutely not saying that the job is bad. Job has helped me survive. Job has helped me continue my financial, overcome my financial crisis even today. But what I'm trying to say is about the mindset. And what if you are already ready much before you enter into your professional world? And that way you will be able to take the benefit and get the benefits out of it, because you will be ready even before you get into the professional world. And even if you're getting into the job, you're probably more holistic developed, you have more capabilities, you are more successful than others. And that is why I have been working on developing this entire curriculum under the concept called MBA for kids. And that is what I'm going to share with all of you today, that why it is so important and why I've developed this entire thing. Because I realized that if I had those holistic development concept at that point in time, somebody could have told me that entrepreneurship is also another way. There are other ways by which a child can make money. Probably YouTube's and other aspects are today, but there were other aspects as well. If I would have developed some other capabilities, some other aspects of it, what are business aspects, what are financial aspects, how to take care of a business model, what is value proposition, probably I would not have lost 7 businesses in last 7 years. I had no mentor available, and it is difficult to understand and learn this concept at the later age. As I said, after 25 years of age, your learning capacity reduces. So this is what I would like to share with all of you, and without taking too much of time, I am sharing this presentation. So this is where the future ready workshops, which we are carved out for, to find a unique place for your child in the robo human world. Our curriculum starts from grade 1 to grade 12, and this idea out here is to find out one area which is so unique to your child, where the child can be the master in it. And we work around developing that child from an early age into for that particular specialization. See, the world is moving towards specialization. The time is we're actually moved in from specialization to generalization, and now it is coming back to a micro specialization, which we call as micro niche. You should be knowing all of those things, because if you are working towards any organizations are also looking for entrepreneurs today. You should be knowing all aspects of the organization. So you should be jack of all trades, but you should be master in one in such a manner that nobody else can do that job than you. And that is what the concept of MBA for kids, which we instill in right from an early age in the child. It goes from year step by step, from grade 1 to grade 12. Anybody can join in at any a grade, and accordingly we will develop that child and find out that expertise at their own age group accordingly. Now, I would like to share a little problem areas why we did that, and while I've shared that into some perspective, but I would like to give you a little more details around that. So the one is the problem area as the children side of it. They're not getting holistic development. The current focus, 80% focus is absolutely on academics. While we know that only 10% of that is going to be majorly useful, which we are acquiring these skills till the age of 20 to 25 years of age. So what about those 90% skills? When will we learn that? While schools, there are some international schools who are trying to do that, and I really appreciate all of them, all of their efforts. But they are also bound with their academics content. There's so much to learn. The child has to learn that as well. You cannot ignore that. While we talk about beyond academics, entrepreneurship skills, everything is good, but they have to have the basic education. It is absolutely essential. So the best way is to use the after school time for their development of their holistic development and more focus what child needs, what are their strengths, weaknesses. So they're also not aware about their core skills and talent, which parents are also not aware because there is no structured methodology. They don't have time. Parents don't have time to spend time with the child to understand their core competence. Even if they know what is their core competence, child keeps changing. When I was a child, I was told, my father asked me, my parents asked me, what do you want to become? And I said, okay, I want to be a doctor. I wanted to become an astronaut. I wanted to become a doctor. I eventually became an engineer. Then did an MBA, and I'm actually running a company now, which is nowhere related to engineering. This is what the scenario of probably most of you right now, and this is what we are. It's happening with all the future population or the people, children who are coming in. 52% of the population is children. That K12 segment which we say. The child safety and security is becoming a big concern in nowadays. There's no structured career progression plan available, which is very individualistic, not a generalistic, or everybody is following the same herd mentality. No. Because of this, a lot of women are losing their jobs because they have to support the child and they are getting into a restart crisis. This 75% of the children with disabilities are unable to complete their education. All international schools or even government schools, every school has at least 8 to 10 special children with them for the studies, but they really do not know what to do with them, how it can be worked out, and what can be done with them. And that is where our entire module is facilitated with a concept of inclusive education, where we also take care of the children, how to use a technology for even for the special children as well. Our co-founder Sharmila Devatia herself is having an inspiring story, and you can check her story on our YouTube channel Bringle Talks, and our team can put that link as well into the comment section. You can please check it out. What kind of benefit, what is the kind of aspect which she has gone through at the age when she was 5.5 years old, how she has overcome that, and after 50 years how she's running her life and managing work with international NGOs and many organizations, and she's still teaching in Mumbai University, and how she's supporting and building up this entire platform for the special children. She's also running up a company called Vardhan, where she's supporting women with a new initiative called Restart Your Career, especially for these women, because they have left their jobs and now they don't know what to do. They were highly profiled women. They're highly profiled, and we're trying to help them. She's trying to help them as well. So that's something beyond the concept right now. And this is what I would like to share, what global leaders also have to say about it. And it's not from today. It's been years together what everybody is talking about, but not much has been done into that ecosystem at this point till now. I mean, not a very structured, holistic manner. It's been happening in silos. Some part of it somewhere it is happening, but now with this online blended learning options, you can actually reach out to the masses. You can reach out from online anywhere to anywhere. Robert Kiyosaki is my mentor. I've been reading his books, in his audio cassettes, very long period of time, and I've been teaching my daughter about his book since the time she was 8 years old. In fact, she's run a virtual storytelling camp explaining about his book, and I will talk about that. What are those things? Now, the point is, he always talks about that there has to be a second school system where we can teach our young children of financial education. Indra Nui is a ex PepsiCo chairman or CEO, and she has been always talking about that women need to increase population to take care of the productivity. They are so productive. They are very good, and in this gender diversity, there's so many millennials who are coming in. They need to get into the system. They get into corporate world, but because women are losing their jobs, leaving their jobs for their children, they're not able to continue their corporate journey. So it has to be, there has to be a system where the children can be taken care of so that women can continue their work. So if we have this skill development center concept in within the corporate premises rather than a normal daycare, if we can set up something over there, both women can work and children can be taken care of. Schools can be nearby, and the corporates are ready to do that. There are government mandates who are available by which they are supposed to support them on that. Companies pay for the daycare fees, but daycares are daycare. If we convert that concept into a skill development center, this entire world can change. Anand Mahindra had been talking so much about women that they're not able to do it because of their household limitations. They have so much potential. This entire system will enable women to continue working and create so much value in the ecosystem. This is what the market size we are talking about. As I said, K12 section is the K12 segment is a 52% market. In this report is actually created almost a year ago. 260 million is the current enrollment number of people only in India. Indian education market, this number is $180 billion today by 2020. This is going to go 5 times, 10 times. In fact, e-learning market, because of that, it is expected to grow to $398 billion industry in overall by 2026 as per Forbes. And with this online, starting of the online classes, because now children are all comfortable with online classes. If we can bring it a concept of a blended learning, which I'm going to talk about it, what is blended learning? You will be able to understand this concept, and with the concept of gamification, virtual labs, those kind of things, if you built in, you can scale this up very, very massively. And these are the 3 stages of the entire platform. How do we work in this entire program? So the first stage is we take care of the skills profiling of each child. We counsel them with our expert career counselors, and I create a proper report, a 30 to 40 pager report, which gives us a clear perspective, and have a counseling with the parents as well to understand that what their child is good at, where they should be taking it up. Accordingly, we create a customized holistic development program where their actual talent is being nurtured. They apply that talent and upskill themselves and utilize that in creating a different business model for their own expertise. So we focus that this eventually will help them in their academics as well. So we support them on academics by through virtual labs, gamification models, and various other animated videos. And we also support them in developing their core competence into a entrepreneurship development aspects. Now, these entrepreneurship development programs, and not everybody may want to go for the business later on, but this will help them to structure their mind into a more holistic manner so that they will be a very good employee as well. In fact, those concepts are known as entrepreneur. So they'll be good entrepreneurs as well, not just an entrepreneur. And then eventually, once they are ready for that, a perfect job which is suited for them. Now, this job is nothing to do with a particular job, but it is more about a job role which you are good at. Are you good at sales, marketing, operations, delivery, technology, PR, content writing, influencing? What is that you are good at? Whether your creativity skills are good, whether your financial skills are good, whether your emotional side is good, whether your spiritual side is good, whether you are good in numbers, whether you are good in verbal communication, whether you're good in relationships making, all this being analyzed. There are around millions of parameters which gets analyzed out there, and our AI based systems, they actually convert that and find out the perfect fit for that particular child. And our career counselors work with them, our trainers or mentors works with them to develop their entire holistic development for a particular child. Before I go forward, I think I would like to share, let me just share something with you in terms of the videos. Uh, what is the kind of this platform is offering as a blended learning? What is blended learning? And we have just had our second anniversary celebration. So that will give you a little perspective of what is blended learning and what kind of virtual labs or gamification I'm talking about. So have a little bit of, 5. This is the mobile SGC model. This is our students who have been doing in our centers earlier. Virtual reality model for pumping. This is the kind of virtual lab. Investment is going to be an integral part of any success story to become a unicorn. We will need funds to develop and design their scalable.
I definitely love to thank the sponsors. You know, NABARD has been of great. The NINP, this particular place has been given to us without, they didn't even charge a dollar, which is fantastic. Thank you so much for the team out here. Right, our digital partner Bringle, who's kind of beamed this live on the NY as well.
Plus countries at this. Our team will send the link on the comment section so you can go through it. These are the some of the programs which we had set it up for the children. Now coming back to our this slide, and this is where the three-step process comes in, and depending on the each individual or the child requirement, we process that, support a child on that. And which is going to be very important in that, and that is where our experts who are spread across 50 plus countries today, and we have got 17,000 plus experts. Of course they are into variety of different domains, but we find out the right mentor for each child depending on their requirement, and accordingly they guide them step by step. Now, why MBA for Kids program is, of course, it's an integration of industry standard technology for skills profiling and learning and development. We focus on everything. You don't have to, as a parent, you don't have to bother about their homeworks or maybe skill development or maybe extracurricular, or maybe if they have some aspirations to start up their own business, they are struggling with that. All of that will be taken care in an MBA for Kids program. So basis on the child, our counselors, our experts will work with that particular child and help them to grow their, nurture their skills over there. And you don't have to be looking at any aspect of it beyond that. So including their any kind of academics requirement that will be taken care of. So whether it is academics or beyond academics, holistic development is what we'll be focusing upon onto that. This is some of the virtual storytelling camp which I was mentioning about. That there are children who have done this 10 weeks long virtual storytelling camp in the post COVID times, and they have actually managed to do it entire presentations on their own. They have read all these books which are like Who Moved My Cheese, Well Done, Solve Your Problems by the Akbar Birbal Way, Paul Coelho Alchemist, Rich Dad Poor Dad, You Can Win. All of those books which they have read it on their own, converted that into a story, and shared it with many children. So this is where they've learned the art of making presentations, art of making creatives. These all creatives have been created by them. We have given them the structure and they've made that. And art of delivering, art of presenting, art of anchoring, art of comparing, art of becoming a storytellers, how to work as a team, how to develop their leadership. So these are all aspects which they get as a platform to develop their skill sets. There are many children who have kind of even get into some reaching out to setting up of a patent as well. Few of these children are now working towards setting up their YouTube channels, how to become set up those videos, how to create those videos. Some are going for a these are the feedbacks which we have gotten from the parents and the guardians over there, and this is all available on our website. You can go through the live classes section in the virtual storytelling camp. You can type in that and you'll get all these options. So this is where the differentiators which it comes in. We have entire platform, we have got the experts available with us, and we have got the right methodology. So you don't have to go anywhere. Everything will be available in this one single program, and this is what the benefit when it comes to the MBA for Kids program. The current traction, the traction which we are looking at, we have already got this year of plan with us, and which we are looking at to set up 100 skill development centers in India, as well as we are working with the UK government to set it up in UK as well. All boards are covered. We have got some animated content as well. Let me share some animated content. One of the example which we have for the academics also, just to get you an idea. So Skills Meter is an AI-based tool which we have. It's a patented tool, and which is basically helps at any age group. It helps us to identify their core skills and talents. We then work with our career counselors to give them the right direction, create a plan for them, and accordingly help them grow. This is what which we work with them, and take them to the next level and develop them for as per the market potential or the future potential, make them future ready. There are different type of intelligence, personality characteristics which every child has. So it has to be identified at an early age and help them child or nurture basis on that aspect. So anybody who is less than 10 years old, there is a concept called dermatoglyphics multiple intelligence test, which is used basically using a fingerprinting. So we use that concept to understand the basic aspects of it, because till the age of 10 years, child may not be able to give us the right aspect of our use our AI based platform, which is our psychometric platform. So we use this platform for getting that understanding, and it's actually very good. Even we have seen 70% accuracy in even at the age of the people at 70 to 75. The only difference is this tells us the more how we were born, as a talent, which talent we were having, what are the multiple intelligences we are good at. It's around a 30-pager report which gives us a complete information about the child, what subject they are good at, what career option they should be choosing at, which kind of extracurricular activity they should be going at, what is their learning behavior, learning pattern, how good they are in terms of what they learn at, how do they learn at, whether they learn by visual, verbal or kinesthetic mode. So various aspects are onto that, and you can get that all the information in our MBA for Kids community page. So our team can send that link to you, which is you can go at bringalacademy.com/course/masters beyond academics, and you have all the reports available. There is a lot of content available which you can go through it. The another aspect is the psychometric test, which is an AI based platform which gives you more basis on the availability of the different questions. This is a very beautiful platform. It's a competitive examination platform wherein we actually do the analytics. It's basically set up for IIT JEE, PMT, BITSAT at this point in time. But what it does is that it actually we create an exact questionnaire basis on that particular entrance examination. And child actually gives it that timed test. At the end of the test, this kind of a semicircle which comes in, this kind of a semicircle which tells you that how many times this child has attempted, or that person has attempted the question with these rings which you are seeing, whether it was right or not, which is basically green or red, and these triangles which you are seeing is the time taken for each question, and whether how many times they have attempted is being shown by those rings. Now if the child, if they have taken multiple attempts, that also is being captured over there, and it will tell you whether that final question when they attempted was right or not. So it gives you the entire perspective. It also tells you which subject you are good at within that exam, which topic of that subject is you are good at or not very good at, in that color codes in the bottom part of that semicircle. So this is being used by the experts or the trainers who teaching on the competitive examination, and they'll be able to take the right judgments, and accordingly they can teach further an individual child. So that is how we focus back to the each and every child over there. Cognitive gamification platform. This is basically a gamified platform, which is a self-paced platform, wherein the child is being developed on their 4 aspects of it. One is their quantitative aptitude, verbal reasoning, inference capability, and creativity. And they run these things 15 minutes, almost 3 times in a week, and they run this test on their own. It's a completely game-based model wherein their science concepts, math concepts, English concepts, creativity, everything is being taught using the game. And at the end of it, you will get a result like this. The parents will get a report, the child will have its own dashboard, and the mentor will also have their own dashboard to see how they are doing, what skills they are lacking in, and accordingly their life skills and soft skills can be enhanced over there. And accordingly we align the mentors and the expert around that. So that is where it becomes very, very smart web-based program out there for our children. So everybody is being given to that access onto that at a packaged level. The virtual gamification labs. Now, this is another interesting one thing which I've shown you as a virtual gamification in that blended learning platform. There are another concept of blended learning wherein a video is running and there a question pops up, which is your first picture out here. And the child has to actually answer it right now. And this goes into their scoring methodology. So it happens, you're learning or you're answering questions as and when the video is being played. It's not just that you have to give assessments at the end of the video. Then there is a second type of videos which it is aligned, wherein you have 2 scenarios in life. It might not be anything, might not be good or bad, but 2 scenarios. So based on which scenario you select, the story will move accordingly, and the the child will actually go through that particular story and find out whether that result was right or not. So it's a kind of a virtual simulated model which is being created for developing their soft skills or even their concepts of learning about life. Then there is a live streaming option where the experts from all across the globe teach them over the online platform, and all of them are getting recorded and available to them for their as a self-paced program with assignments and everything, so that they can refer it at any point in time. Right now, even for academics, when they go to the school, they don't get the recordings to watch. How do they refer? And it is not structured into the right manner. Now the teacher decides which one and how much they have to learn. So they create the self-paced program accordingly. They do the live sessions, and these live sessions are also available to them for the children, and even the parents can refer if they need some help, the children some help, so that you know that what is being taught in the classes, and you can take that benefit. Then the another aspect is another graphical summary, tools like Kahoot and other things, all virtual labs for geometry, mathematics, physics, English, geography, any subject for that matter, right from class 1 to class 12 is being aligned and created for the same. Now, we have recently done a Python and AI ML classes for the US and India children, and this is the kind of feedback which we have gotten. What kind of things? So it is not just about academics, or it is different things than academics. Python is the need of the hour. Children are learning at the age of 12 years, 13 years. They're learning AI ML. They're developing their applications. They're developing their websites. They're learning HTML coding. They're making their own mobile applications. They're creating their own YouTube channel. These are all different areas where the children are experiencing this entire program today. This is our journey as Bringle Academy overall, what we have been. We started our journey in 2015 just to understand the market. 2016, we months, and then we developed this patent from end-to-end from education, end-to-end life cycle from education and career, and eventually set up this platform in 2018, which is now a complete blended learning platform, which we have seen the demo. The link should be there in the comment section. And now we are moving forward with developing this for students, professionals, entrepreneurs, and persons with disabilities with a global reach out of it. These are the awards and recognitions, and you can go through it at that time. But we have been recognized. We are among the top 3,000 startups within North America and India, as per IIM Calcutta and Department of Technology, Government of India. We have been awarded platform as Skill Development Program Institute Award by National Innovation Awards, and we are also among the top 10 startups. Top 10 Mumbai startups as per Millennium Divas, which is the co-founder. One of the co-founder is Bhavesh Kothari, and another is Shalini Sarkar, who was the ex-advisor to the Maharashtra government. Now we have been facilitated or felicitated by Radio Masti 24/7 Singapore, which they have published our daily pulse of wisdom for 21 days business sustainability challenge. Fever 104 FM Bangalore has featured us as a super startup in their 1-hour show. Now, what is there in for you? So we are now looking for franchises, inviting franchisees for this. We are having a complete platform available out here. We are looking to generate more and more franchisee options, and we are open to discuss onto that, and we will talk more about this. You will get the details out there in terms of the options. At the end of this, you will get a link out there to reach out to me for this, and you will also get a link to join the community to see what other things are available. Reach out to me, set up a one-on-one mentoring. There will be a one-on-one session link which will be sent into you. You can reach out to me, block a time, and you can also send your request at info@bringleacademy.com. If you have any requirement on this, you want to set up a franchise, a virtual model, eventually it will turn into a blended model once the school starts operating, and you can set it up within a very small space of 500 to even 500 square feet area. If you are having a flat or any property which is you want to use that, you can use that as well. It will work very good in the school, in the society premises, because there will be already a lot of children available. So it is a perfectly model which is within 1 year itself you'll be able to generate 100% growth you'll be able to generate revenues of 50 to 670 lakh rupees within the first year itself. There are various models around that, so it's a very good model which you should be looking at it, and we will be looking forward onto the same. So you can invite on that, and any parent, if you are looking for more information about this, please join the community. We will reach out to you over there. You can also reach out to us at info@bringalacademy.com for more details about it, to know more about our current virtual center or the current programs which we are running in. So with this, I would like to thank all of you for listening to me till now, and looking forward to see you all as part of the community. And let me know anybody who is looking to look for the franchisee concept, or any parent who would like to go through this program. Reach out to us at info@bringalacademy.com, and our team will come back to you. You can also reach out to me personally by setting up a 30 minutes free session with me. The link will be available in the comment section. Thank you so much. And with this, I would like to thank each of you and say, keep bringing, keep growing.